Looking to refresh your space, rethink your layout, or add a little magic to your home? These incredible design ideas and smart furniture pieces transform ordinary rooms into functional, stylish, and surprisingly fun spaces. From hidden storage to shape-shifting furniture, everything here is built to make your home feel smarter and more intentional. Check the links in the description to explore them. Ever wished you could reach the attic without dragging out a bulky ladder? This wall-mounted pull-down system makes it effortless. You just tug it down, and the sturdy metal steps extend smoothly. Each tread has a non-slip texture, so you feel secure going up or down. When you're done, it folds flat against the wall, saving precious space. Perfect for garages, lofts, and any tight spot that needs easy access. This bed takes comfort and entertainment to a whole new level. A hidden lift in the footboard reveals a TV, while a heat-free fireplace adds cozy ambiance without raising the room temperature. The soft velvet upholstery, tall tufted headboard, and sleek silver legs give it a luxurious modern look. Strong wooden construction and reinforced slats keep your mattress supported without needing a box spring. Here's a shelf that pulls double duty without anyone noticing. On the outside, it looks like a simple floating shelf for plants, books, or decor. But give the panel a lift, and a hidden compartment quietly reveals itself. It's perfect for keeping jewelry, documents, or small valuables out of sight. The solid wood build feels sturdy, holding up your items with confidence. And installation is quick, so you can have it up and ready in minutes. Sometimes you just need a seat that appears only when you need it. This wall-mounted folding stool pops down in one smooth motion, giving you a sturdy spot to tie your shoes or take a quick break. The frame feels solid and steady, so you can sit with confidence. When you're done, it flips back up and disappears against the wall, saving tons of space. If your entryway always feels cluttered, this clever cabinet brings instant calm. 3 flip-down drawers hide all your shoes, while keeping everything easy to reach. Each drawer has 2 tiers you can adjust or remove, so your flats, boots, and heels all fit without a fight. The top shelf is perfect for keys, plants, or small decor, and with its slim shape and anti-tip safety feature, it keeps your space tidy, safe, and easy to maintain. Here's the kind of furniture that quietly solves a dozen problems at once. These wooden stools stack neatly on top of each other, so you can tuck all 4 away without eating up space. Each one feels solid and steady, thanks to the thick wood legs and non-slip pads that keep them from sliding. Use them as seats, tiny tables, or footrests, whatever you need in the moment. When you need a workspace that moves with you, this little rolling desk steps up. The height adjusts with a quick push, so you can switch from sitting to standing anytime. The tabletop tilts, giving you the perfect angle for typing, reading, drawing, or even snacking in bed. Hidden wheels glide quietly, letting you roll it through tight spaces with zero effort. Strong, steady, and easy to assemble. It's a flexible workstation you can use anywhere. Here's a tiny organizer that makes a big difference. This wall-mounted box sticks right onto a smooth surface and instantly gives you extra storage without using any counter space. The dividers inside slide and switch, so you can fit socks, underwear, chargers, or whatever small items always go missing. The clear acrylic front lets you see everything at a glance, keeping your space neat and dust-free. Here's a fun way to clean up the toy chaos without hiding anything cute. This tall, clear tube gives stuffed animals a new home by using vertical space instead of your floor. The transparent body shows off every plush, turning them into part of the room's decor. Both ends seal tight to keep out dust and moisture, and the two-way zipper lets you grab a favorite toy in seconds. Easy to place anywhere, no tools, no hassle. Bored of plain toilet paper holders? These little black sheep bring humor and charm to your bathroom. Each freestanding holder keeps a roll tidy while adding a whimsical touch to your decor. No assembly or tools, just place them and enjoy the laugh every guest will get. Perfect for keeping your rolls organized and for sparking conversation. They're quirky, cute, and a fun gift for anyone who loves a little bathroom personality. Turn your music into a visual show with this dancing Ferrofluid display. Place it near a speaker and watch the black liquid leap and swirl to the beat, creating mesmerizing shapes that move with the rhythm. The glass bottle glows softly, adding a hypnotic vibe to your desk or room. Rechargeable and portable, it's perfect for relieving stress or just staring in awe. Turn your couch into a mini command center with this multifunctional sofa armrest. It slips neatly between seats, giving you cup holders, storage for remotes and phones, and even a wireless charging cradle for your devices. The built-in LED light brightens your reading without disturbing anyone else. Soft, durable fabric keeps it comfy while staying easy to clean. Perfect for movie nights, cozy evenings, or keeping everything you need right at your fingertips. Tired of wrestling with sheets and blankets that won't stay put? This spiral hanger makes drying and storing them effortless. Its stainless steel spiral holds everything from bedspreads to tablecloths without slipping or creasing. You can fold it flat when not in use, making it perfect for travel, dorms, or small apartments. Strong, rust-resistant, and easy to handle. It keeps your linens neat wherever you hang them. Bring a splash of color to any room with this wave-shaped table lamp. Its 3D printed design adds modern flair while setting the perfect mood with 15 vibrant colors. You can dim it for cozy nights or brighten it for work and reading. USB powered, it fits perfectly on desks, nightstands, or even for travel eco-friendly and sleek. It's a small piece of art that lights up your space beautifully. Meet the coffee table that does way more than hold your drinks. Its split lift top lets you work, eat, or relax without disturbing anyone else. Hidden compartments and drawers keep clutter out of sight, while an open shelf shows off your favorite decor. Strong metal supports and sturdy wood make lifting smooth and quiet. Perfect for small spaces, it transforms from coffee table to dining table or desk in seconds. Spice up your kitchen with this Ferris wheel spice rack. It spins a full 360 degrees, so you can grab any spice without reaching or searching. 18 glass jars hold all your seasonings, and the included labels and funnels make organizing a breeze. Made from durable materials, it's built to last while looking fun and modern on your countertop. Perfect for home cooks, chefs, or anyone who loves a neat and stylish kitchen. Tired of boring curtains that just hang there? These magnetic tiebacks hold them neatly while adding a stylish touch. No hooks, tools, or drilling required. You just wrap and let the magnets do the work. Strong and rust-resistant, they stay in place without slipping. With multiple ways to clip, you can change up your window's look anytime. Small space? No problem. This folding dining table tucks neatly into any corner when not in use. Open it up to seat 4 to 6, or turn it into a desk for work or hobbies. The built-in shelf keeps clutter out of sight, and 6 smooth rolling wheels make moving it effortless. Strong, sturdy, and versatile, it's the perfect all-in-one table for small apartments or multi-purpose spaces. Check yourself out in style with this arched full-length mirror. It gives a distortion-free reflection for outfits, workouts, or home decor. 3 adjustable light modes let you choose bright, soft, or cozy lighting for any mood. You can stand it, mount it, or lean it against a wall, flexible for every room. Built with shatter-resistant glass, it's safe, sleek, and perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, or dressing areas. Tiny plants, big personality. These mini vase magnets stick to your fridge, lockers, or any magnetic surface while holding notes, photos, or reminders. Made from ceramic and glass, they're durable, safe, and waterproof. Each one adds a pop of color and charm, turning ordinary spaces into playful decor. Perfect for kitchens, offices, or gifting to anyone who loves cute, functional accessories. Turn empty corners into glowing displays with these smart corner shelves. The built-in LED lights highlight your books, plants, or collectibles with a warm, inviting glow. Multiple tiers help you organize vertically, saving floor space while keeping everything visible. Made from durable materials, they're sleek, modern, and easy to install. Perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or offices. They add both light and style to any corner. This bed turns your room into a full-on light show. Vibrant RGB lighting wraps around the frame, and you can change colors, brightness, and effects with an app or remote. There's even a music sync mode that flashes in rhythm with your favorite songs. A soft padded headboard includes a built-in charging station with one Type-C port and one USB port, so your devices stay powered overnight. The low, wave-shaped sides and glowing light strips create a futuristic look that instantly stands out. Tired of digging through messy cabinets for your pots and pans? This pull-out organizer keeps everything in its place with adjustable dividers for lids, cutting boards, and cookware. The smooth sliding rails make opening effortless and silent, while the handle brackets keep heavy items secure. Expandable and versatile, it fits a variety of cabinet sizes and installation preferences, adhesive or screws. This foldable sofa bed gives you comfort wherever you need it. Non-slip pads keep it steady on most floors, and placing it against a wall adds extra support for lounging or sleeping. The soft velvet fabric feels smooth and breathable, and the removable pillow covers make cleaning easy. High-density foam inside creates a comfy spot for sitting, lounging, or unfolding it into a roomy sleeper. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.